Hello everyone. Today I am going to take a session on odd man out. What is the odd man out? That is the different number. This is also just number series problem. What about number series? You need to find out what is the next number in the series. Or suppose 6 or 7 numbers are there. On the 6 or 7 numbers, suppose one number is missing. You need to identify what is that number. Correct? What about odd man out? In the particular sequence, one number does not follows the series. అంటే suppose 5 or 6 numbers ఒక series ఉంటాయి. అందులో each and every number a series follow అవుతుంది except one number. సో ఆ ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే మనకు సిరీస్ ఫాలో అవ్వట్లేదు దాన్ని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి అన్నమాట. దాన్ని ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ అంటారు. ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ అన్న ఫైండ్ ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద సిరీస్ అన్న ఈ రెండు కూడా ఒకటే. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సపోజ్ 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. What is the wrong number in the series? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are in the sequence. But what about 7? Here what is the after 5? That is equal to 6. But here 7 is there. So what is the wrong number? That is equal to 7. Odd man out and wrong number. Okay. Suppose 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12. What is the wrong number? That is equal to 700. Why? Because all are an even numbers, but 7 is not an even number. Okay. Suppose 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 11. And what is the odd number or what is the wrong number in the series? 8. This is an even number. This is an even number. Okay. This series contains all numbers are odd numbers except 8. So 8 is the answer. Suppose 1, 4, 9, 16, next 25, next 49, and next 50. What is the answer? Here, this is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square, this is 5 square, and this is 7 square. What about 50? All the numbers are perfect squares except 50. So what is the wrong number in the series? So 50 is the wrong number in the series. Next, suppose 1, 8, 27, 64, 120, 216. What is the wrong number in the series? If you observe, this is the 1 cube, this is the 2 cube, this is the 3 cube, this is the 4 cube, and this is the 6 cube. 6 cube. So what is the answer? If here 5 cube is there, then all the numbers are form a particular sequence, that is all are perfect cubes. But what about 120 is not a perfect cube. That means this number is different from other numbers. That means this number is an odd number. Or this is the 120 does not follow that sequence. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 120. Okay. Here odd man out not only in the numbers but also letters also. See, A, E, K, I, O. What is the wrong number? Obviously, K is the wrong number. Why? Because A, E, I, O, all are ovals. What about the K? K is a constant. Sorry, K is a consonant. Okay, K is a consonant. So, what is the wrong number in the sequence? That is equal to K. That is odd number. Okay? The odd man out అనేది ఏంటంటే ఒక నెంబర్ సిరీస్ కాదు లెటర్ సిరీస్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, బట్ మాక్సిమం ఎనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఏంటంటే మనకు నెంబర్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఇస్తాడు కాబట్టి సో ఈ వీడియోలో నేను కంప్లీట్ గా ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ నెంబర్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? యాజ్ యూజువల్ జస్ట్ pause the video, solve the question, and then watch my explanation. Okay? So, ikkante simple question to tough question anni explain chestunnanu. Now, what is the odd man out? This is a part of number series. Odd man out is a part of నెంబర్ సిరీస్. ఓకే, మీ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 1 and 2 వీడియోస్ చేశాను. ఓకే, అందులో మీకు ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది మొత్తం క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి అంతా కూడా. ఓకే, జస్ట్ గో త్రూ దట్ వీడియో, యూ విల్ గెట్ a clear idea about to how to learn number series or odd man out or etc. Okay, Nana? Right. Now, come to this part. Just a moment, all of you. Right. What is the first question? 190, 166, 145, 128, 112, 100, and 91. Which of these numbers does not satisfy the sequence? And the extra number. Okay, all numbers are follows on particular sequence except one number. We need to identify what is that number. Okay, so either odd man or wrong number in the series, whatever it is, both are same. 190, 166, 145, 128, 112, 100, and 91. So how to solve this? Generally, in the number series ఎలాగైతే చేసామో ఇక్కడ ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ కూడా అంతే. నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఏంటి, డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకుని చూసారా, ఇక్కడ ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ కూడా మాక్సిమం డిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. 190 minus 166 అంటే ఏంటి, దిస్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 24 అన్నట్టు. 190 minus 170, 20, but extra 4 is there, 24. 166 minus 145, what is the difference? This is equal to 21. 145 minus 128, what is the difference? That is equal to 17. Okay, and what is the difference? That is equal to 16. This is equal to 12, and this is equal to 9. Here, the difference between first two numbers, that is equal to 24. The difference between next two numbers is equal to 21. The next two numbers equal to 17. Next two numbers equal to 16. Next two numbers equal to 12. And this is equal to 9. If you observe, the difference between these two numbers, that is equal to 3. The difference between these two numbers, that is equal to 3. Okay, so what next? And what is the difference between these two numbers? Suppose this is equal to 3 and suppose this is also equal to 3, then what about this number? So that number should be equal to 15 on that. When it is 15, suppose this 128, 127 is there. Then what happened? The difference between these two numbers equal to 21. The difference between these two numbers is equal to 18. So 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9. So that sequence is satisfied. That means instead of 128, suppose 127 is there, then that sequence satisfied. Okay, so what is the wrong number in the series? That is equal to 128. Which number doesn't satisfy that condition? That is equal to 128. What is the odd man in that series? That is equal to 128. Is it clear? So first step is take a difference of two numbers. Suppose if you didn't get the logic, then you think out of the box. Okay, now odd man out, it's a very dangerous part. ఇక్కడ మనకు సిరీస్ అడిగారు అనుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఓకే, ఒక పర్టికులర్ సిరీస్ ఫాలో అయిపోతుంది, నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ అని చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఇందులో ఏది రాంగ్ నెంబర్ అనేది మనకు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం అనేది మాత్రం ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్. బట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, రైట్? సో అది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మాత్రం మీకు ప్రాబ్లం అంటూ ఏంటి. ఓకే, నౌ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. జస్ట్ పాజ్ దిస్ వీడియో అండ్ సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? See, this is, if you observe carefully, all are multiples, right? This is equal to 1 into 1, this is 1 into 2, this is 1 into 2 into 3, and this is 6 into 4, and this is equal to 24 into 5. So what happened if suppose that is equal to 120, here 120 into 6, that is equal to 720, that is satisfy the condition. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే 1 into 1 that is equal to 1, 1 into 2 that is equal to 2, 2 into 3 that is equal to 6, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Satisfied. What is the next number? 24 into 5. What is the 24 into 5? That is equal to 120. But what about this number? Yeah, 96 is there. Suppose instead of 96, 120 is there, then that is the correct answer. Okay, so what is the answer? Option B is the correct answer. Okay, Nana? Right. 40960 and next 10240, etc. See, already మీకు number series చెప్పాను. First number కన్నా largest number అయితే better to count, better to calculate from the last digit. That means from your right hand side. Suppose if you take this is 40, 10 into 4, that is equal to 40. 40 into 5, that is equal to 200. 200 into 6, suppose this is equal to 1200. Suppose this is equal to 1200, 1207 into 7, that is equal to 7200. Okay, so what happened? If this is equal to 2560, suppose if you go through like this, then what happened? This number becomes to 7200. So this sequence is not a correct. Okay, మనం ఏదైతే మనం అనుకున్నామో 10 into 4, 40 into 5 ఏదైతే అనుకున్నామో that is not a correct. Now, what is the exact answer? That is very, very important. Okay, now suppose instead of this one, suppose 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 40 into 4 is equal to, suppose this is equal to 160. 160 into 4, that is equal to 640. So 640 plus 4 is equal to 2560. 2560 into 4 equal to 10240. 10240 into 4 equal to 40960. So what happened? Instead of 200, suppose 160 is there, then that is the correct answer. Instead of 200, suppose 160 is there, that is the correct answer. What we require, what is the wrong number in that series? What is the wrong number in that series? That is equal to 200, which is required answer. Okay. Next one. 64, 71, 80, 91, 104, 119, 135, 155. Now, what is the answer here? What is the first? Take a difference of two numbers. So, suppose 64 plus 7, there was 71. 71 plus 9, that is equal to 80. 80 plus 11, that is equal to 91. 91 plus 13, that is equal to 104. 104 plus 15, that is equal to 190. Satisfy the condition. Plus 17, what happened? 136. Okay. Suppose 119 plus 17 is equal to 136. 136 plus 19 is equal to 155. Suppose instead of 135, 136 is there, then that is a perfect sequence. But here 135 is there. So what is the wrong number in the series? That is equal to 135. Next, 7, 8, 18, 57, 228, 1165, 6, 9, 9, 6. Now, what is the wrong number in the series? See, what is the first? Take a difference of two numbers. Okay, so what is the difference of two numbers? First one, this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 10. And what about this one? This is equal to 39, suppose. No. So difference is not satisfied. Okay, now what should you do? Just now go to the next method, next one, next procedure. What is the next procedure here? What is the next procedure? Yes, 7, 8. Okay, let us take 7 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 8. 8 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 18. 18 into 3, 54 plus 3, the 57. 57 into 4 plus 4. What is the 57 into 4? 224 plus 4, 228 into 5 plus 5. So this is equal to 2200. What is the 2200? That is equal to 1140. 1140 plus 5, 1145. But what is the answer? 1165. So what is the wrong number in the series? That is equal to 1165. Is it clear? Here 7 into 1 plus 1. Next 8 into 2 plus 2. And next 18 into 3 plus 3. Now, etc. So what is the answer? Answer is 1165, which is required answer. Is it valid? Just observe. 7 into 1 plus 1. 8 into 2 plus 2. 18 into 3 plus 3. 57 into 4 plus 4. 57 into 4 plus 4. What happened? That is equal to 57 into 4. That is equal to 228. What is the plus 4? That is equal to 232. But here 228 is there. Okay. So what happened? Your calculation part is also very, very important. Your calculation part is also very, very important. So what happened? Instead of 228, suppose 232 is there. 232 into 5, 1000, 160, 160 plus 5, 1165, which is required answer. So what is the answer? Answer is option D. 228 is the wrong number in that series. Okay. Next one. 3, 7, 15, 27, 63, 127, and 255. So what is the answer? It's a very simple. Suppose if you take a difference, the difference between 3 and 7, that is equal to 4. The difference between 7 and 15, that is equal to 8. And this is equal to 12. And this is equal to, what happened? 30, 33 plus this is equal to 36. And what is the next one? This is equal to 64. Okay. What is the next number? 128. If you observe 4, 8, 12, 36, 64, this is 4 into 2. That's okay. 64 into 2, 128. That is also okay. Now, what happened? What is the main problem? So, 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, suppose this is equal to 16. 15 plus 16, that is equal to 31. Then, if the difference between 31 and 63, that is equal to 32, then what happened? 4 into 2, 8, into 2, 16, into 2, 32, into 2, 64, into 2, 128. So, what is the wrong number? Suppose instead of 27, 31 is there, then that is the wrong number. Then that is the perfect answer. But here, the 27 is there. So, what is the wrong number in the sequence? 27, which is required answer. Right? Next one. 19, 26, 33, 46, 59, 74, and 91. So, same procedure. What should you do? Take a difference of two numbers. Okay. So, the difference between these two numbers, that is equal to 7. And what is the difference between these two numbers? That is equal to, again, 7. And what is the difference? This is equal to 13. And what is the difference? This is equal to 13. And what is the difference? This is equal to 15. And what is the difference? And this is equal to 17. If you observe, 15, 13, 15, 17 on particular sequence is there. But here 7 and 7. Suppose instead of the difference between these two numbers, 7 is instead of 7, that is 9 is there. Just now, what happened? Here 26 plus 9, that is equal to 35 on that. Suppose the difference is equal to 35. What is the difference between 35 and 46? That is equal to 11. The difference between first number and second number is 7. If the third number is 35, the difference between second number and third number, that is equal to 9. The difference between the third number and fourth number, that is equal to 11. The difference between fourth and fifth, that is 13. Next, fifth and sixth, 15. Sixth and seventh, 17. So instead of 33, suppose 35 is there, then that is a perfect sequence. మనకు కావాల్సిందంటే find the wrong number in the sequence. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? That is equal to 33. Option B is the correct answer. Right. Next, 2880, 480, 92, 24, 844. So what happened? Suppose the first number is a largest number and the last number is the smallest number. Better to calculate from the last number to first number. Okay, from your right hand side to left hand side. If you observe 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, that is 8 into 3, that got 24, 24 into 4, that is equal to 24 into 4, 96. But here 92 is there. Right? Here 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. 8 into 3, that got 24. 24 into 4, 96. Suppose this is equal to 96. 96 into 5, that is 480. 480 into 6, that is equal to 2880. So that sequence is satisfied the condition. Now, what we require? Which number does not fit in the sequence? So instead of 92, if 96 is there, then that sequence satisfies. But here 92 is there. So what is the wrong number? 92 is a wrong number in that sequence. Same. First number is largest number and the last digit is smallest number. So how to solve? Better to calculate from your right hand side to left hand side. Here 45, 221, etc. Now first, what is the relation between these two numbers? Here 4 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 8 or not. Sorry, 4 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 11. And what about this one? 11 into 2 plus 3, 22 plus 3, that is equal to 25. Now, what is the next number? 25 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 50 plus 3, 55, 53, but I have 46 is there. Suppose if you take this is equal to 53, then what happened? 53 into 2, 106 plus 3, so that condition is satisfied. Suppose 46 is there, 46 into 2, 92 plus 3, 95, but here what happened? 109 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? That is equal to 46. Option C is the correct answer. Next, 3, 7, 15, 39, 63, 127, 255, 511. What is the wrong number in the sequence? 3, 7, 15, 39, 63. So smallest number is the left hand side and largest number is in the right hand side. So starting from the 3 to 11, 3 to 5 11. Okay. If you observe, this is also very simple, right? 3 into 2 plus 1, 7 into 2 plus 1, that 15 into 2 plus 1. So what happened? That is equal to 31. See. 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 plus 1 equal to 15. 15 into 2 plus 1 equal to 31. Suppose here 31 is there. 31 into 2 plus 1, that was 63. 63 into 2 plus 1, 127. 127 into 2 plus 1, 255. 255 into 2 plus 1, 511, etc. So instead of 39, suppose 31 is there, then that is the cut sequence. What we require? Wrong number. So what is the wrong number? 39 is the wrong number. Option C is the correct answer. 1, 3, 10, 21, 64, 129, 356, and etc. So what happened? This is very simple. What is the relation between the 1 and 3? What is the relation? Here, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 3 plus 1, 10. 10 into 2 plus 1, 21. 21 into 3 plus 1, 64. 64 into 2 plus 1, 129. 129 into 3 plus 1, 130 into 3, that is equal to what happened? Suppose 130. 130 into 3, 360. 360 minus 3, 57. Okay, 357 plus 1, 358. Suppose this is the 358, then this sequence satisfies the condition. Why? Because 1 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 3 plus 1, 10 into 2 plus 1, 21 into 3 plus 1, 64 into 2 plus 1, 129, 129 into 3 plus 1, 129 into 3, 357. 357 plus 1, 358. But here 356 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? 356, which is required answer. It's a very simple. Very simple. I already explained in the introduction part. This is 14 square, this is 13 square, this is 12 square, this is 11 square, this is 10 square, this is 8 square. Now, what we require 9 square is equal to 81. If instead of 80, 81 is there, then that is a perfect sequence. Okay, but here 81 is there. But here 80 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? 80. Option E is the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? And it's a simple question. 6, 12, 48, and next 100, 384, etc. What is the relation between the first number and second number? 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. What is the relation between 12 and 48? 12 into 4, that equals 48. 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 4, 48, 48 into 2, that is equal to 96. Suppose 96 into 4 must be satisfy the condition. 96 into 4, the 384 satisfies the condition or not? 384 into 2, 768. 768 into 4, 1. So what happened? Suppose instead of 100, 96 is there, then this sequence satisfies. But here, instead of 96, 100 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? That is equal to 100. Option C is the correct answer. Next. Ten, 26, 74, 218, 654, 1946. Now, what is the answer? See, from this question onwards, little bit difficult questions are there. Okay, nothing to worry. What is the relation between the first number and second number? Into 3 minus 4. What is the relation between 26 and 74? 26 into 7 into 3, that is equal to 78 minus 4. What is the relation between 74 and 218? 74 into 3, that is what 212 minus 4, then what happened? Here into 3. 74 into 3, 290. 74 into 3, that is equal to 3 210, 210, 212, right? 212 minus 4, that is equal to 208. Suppose this is equal to 208, then this sequence satisfies. Okay, but here 208 instead of 208, 218 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? 218, which is a wrong number. That is the odd number, right? So what is the answer? Answer is 218. Next, 15, 16, 34, 105, 424, 216. So what happened? See, suppose the first two numbers very near number, and second and third number is the gap between these two numbers is a very huge, then it is little bit difficult. Okay, but nothing to worry. So how to solve this? 15 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1600. Let us check whether this is correct or not. We don't know, right? 15 into 1 plus 1, 16. 16 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 3400. 15 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 16. 16 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 34. What is the next one? 34 into 3 plus 3. 34 into 3, that is equal to 90, 102 plus 3, 105, that is also satisfied the condition. What next? This is equal to 105 into 4 plus 4. 105 into 4, that is equal to 420. 420 plus 4, 424, that is also satisfied the condition. And into 5 plus 5. If you observe, no need to multiply 424 into 5. See, this is an even number. If you multiply even number with 5, then what happened? Even number with 5, that is equal to unit digit should be 0. If you add 5 to unit digit, that becomes to unit digit must be 5. But here 2124 is there. So what is the wrong number? 2124. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 15 into 1 plus 1, 16 into 2 plus 2, 34 into 3 plus 3, 105 into 4 plus 4, 424 into 5 plus 5. Multiply చేయకండి. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే, ఇక్కడ 4 ని 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? యూనిట్ ప్లేస్ 0 వస్తుంది కదా. 0కి 5 యాడ్ చేస్తే యూనిట్ ప్లేస్ ఏంటి రావాలి? 5 రావాలి. ఇక్కడ యూనిట్ ప్లేస్ ఏముంది? 2. ఇక్కడ 5 రావాలి కదా. నో నీడ్ టు మల్టిప్లై ఆర్ యాడ్ ఎక్సెట్రా. Just observe carefully, you will get the answer. So what is the wrong number? 2124. Okay, ఈ సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ అవి ఎలా చేయాలనేది మనకి క్వాంట్ వీడియోస్ మనం చెక్ చేసుకుందాం, చూద్దాం. ఓకే, న్యూమరికల్ ఎబిలిటీ వీడియోస్ లో సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలనే దాని మీద మనం వీడియోస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 2124, which is required answer. Next, 2807, and next 1400, 697, and 171. Now what is the answer? That is the important. I already told you that if the first number is the largest number and the last number is a smallest number, so calculate from the last to first. Okay, into 2 plus 1. Suppose into 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, sorry, plus 2. Now 84 into 2 plus 2. Suppose 168 plus 3, 171. Next, 171 into 4 into 2, sorry, into 2 plus 4. And this is equal to 2 plus 4. Then what happened? If you multiply 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, but here 7 is there, so that is the wrong number. No need to multiply 171 into 2, etc. Okay, 20 into 2 plus 1, 41. 41 into 2 plus 2, that is 84. 84 into 2 plus 3, that is got 171. 171 into 2 plus 4. Here 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. But here 7 is there. So what is the answer? 347 is an odd number. Okay, 347 does not satisfy that sequence. So what is the wrong number? Wrong number is 347. Next, 32, 36, 41, 61, etc. 32. What is the difference between these two numbers? This is equal to 4. What is the difference? This is equal to 5. This is equal to 20. This is equal to 25. And etc. What is the 4? Suppose 32 plus 2 square equal to 36. And what is the next one? (32 plus 2 square), that is equal to, next, here 36 plus 2 square is not a correct. Let us take 3 square. That is equal to 45. Suppose, we don't know whether it is correct or not. Suppose 45 plus 4 square is equal to 61. Yes, 61. Suppose 61 plus 5 square is equal to 86. Yes, satisfied. Next, 86 plus 6 square is equal to 122, etc. So what happened? Here, instead of 41, suppose 45 is there, then that sequence is perfect. Okay, instead of 41, suppose 45 is there, then the sequence is perfect. Here, 41 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? 41 is the wrong number in that sequence. Is it clear? Now, 3, 4, 9, 22.5, 67.5, 202.5, and 810. If you observe the difference between first two numbers equal to 1, next to 5, next to 14.5, next 45, huge difference. So what should you do? Okay, do one thing. Just split the sequence. Now, what is the first sequence? This is equal to into 3. And this is equal to into 7 times 7.5 times. And this is equal to 12 times. Okay. So into 3, into 7.5, into 12. That means the difference between these two numbers, 4.5, and the difference between these two numbers equal 4.5. Now this is equal to, we don't know, 202, 22.5 into 10. That is equal to 225 minus 22.5. So this is equal to into 9. Here the difference is 4. Suppose the difference is equal to 4, so this must be equal to 5. Here 202 by 202.5 by 22.5, that is equal to 9. It's okay. 22.5 by 5 is equal to 4.5. Yes, it's a little bit difficult. Why? Because this is the second number, is a wrong number. Okay. Here, suppose instead of 4.5, sorry, instead of 4, 4.5 is there, then that is the wrong number. That is the correct number. So what is the answer? Answer is option A. Answer 4 is the answer. 1, 2, 8, 33, 148, and what is the answer? Difference is 1, difference is 6. So use the difference. So what happened? That difference must be in the form of squares. Let us take it. 1 into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 square, that is equal to 8. 8 into 3 plus 3 square. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 9, that is equal to 33. Satisfied. 33 into 4 plus 4 square. 33 into 4 is equal to 132. 132 plus 16, that is equal to 148. Satisfy the condition. See what happened? If you go through the options, 760 is the correct answer. Why? Because all these numbers are correct. Okay. Or let us check. 148 into 5 plus 5 square. If you observe, 8 into 5, the unit digit is equal to 0. 5 square is equal to 25. What is the sum? Unit digit must be 500. But here 760 is there. So what is the wrong number? The 760 is the wrong number. So this is the other way. Or multiply 148 into 5. 150 into 5 is equal to 750. 750 minus 10 is equal to 740. 740 plus 25 equal to 765. But here 760 is there. So what is the wrong number in that sequence? 760 is the wrong number in that sequence. Next one. 3, 8, 18, 46, 100, 210, and 432. See, just to change the color. And what is the answer here? 3 in 3 and 8. What is the difference? The difference is, let us take 3 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 8. And what is the this 8 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 18. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 into 16 plus 2, 18. Now 18 into 2 plus 2. So what happened? This was 36 plus 2, that is equal to 38. But suppose if 38 is there, 38 into 2 plus 2 is not equal to 100. So this pattern is wrong. Now, how to solve this one? How to solve this one? Now, just erase this pattern. Now go to the next one. What happened? 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Suppose 8 into 3 plus 4. 8 into 3 plus 4. Just a minute. Eight into 2, 16 plus 4. Suppose this is equal to 20. Now what happened? 20 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 46. Satisfied. Next, 46 into 2 plus 8 is equal to 92 plus 8, that is equal to 100. Next, 100 into 2 plus 10, that is equal to 210. And 210 into 2 plus 12, so 220, that is equal to 232, right? So what is the wrong number in the series? 20. If the instead of 18, 20 is there, then that is the correct answer. What we require? We required wrong number. What is the wrong number? 18. Option B is the correct answer. Next, 789, 645, 545, 481. Yeah. Here the difference is equal to 100. What is the wrong? The difference between these two numbers is equal to 144. And this is equal to 100. This is 12 square. This is equal to 10 square. Support 90, 81, 545 minus 81. So this is equal to 4. And 54 minus 8. That is equal to 46. Is it required? No. That is also not a correct. And suppose this is equal to 12 square. Yes, sir. So this pattern is also wrong. Now, what happened? This is equal to 144. This is equal to 100. This is 12 square, 10 square. Next, Here 10 square, 10 square, 8 square, 6 square, 4 square, 2 square. Suppose, let us check whether it is correct or not. And here 545 minus 64, this is equal to 481. Yes, this is satisfies. This is equal to 64. What next? 36. That means 481 minus 36. Yeah, this is equal to 5. And this is equal to 4 and 444. We have 440 is there. So what is the wrong number? Wrong number is 440. Suppose instead of 440, 445 is there, then that is a correct sequence. Okay, see, ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారంటే మనం 3 different patterns అప్లై చేసాం. 3 different patterns లో కూడా లాస్ట్ కి ఈ ప్యాటర్న్ సాటిస్ఫై అయింది. ఓకేనా? సో మనం మల్టిపుల్ ఆప్షన్స్ మనం అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే మన కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలం. అలా కాకుండా అన్ని కూడా ఒకే యూనిక్ గా ఉంటాయని మాత్రం అస్సలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకేనా? సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 440. Next, 1050, 510, 242, 106, 46, 16. So what is the answer? What should you do? From the lowest number. 3 is a correct answer. Okay. 3, 16, 46, and how to solve this? Suppose 3 into 2 plus 10, that is equal to 16. 16 into 3 plus 10, that is equal to 48. So this sequence is also not a correct. Now go to the next method. Suppose 1050 minus 30/2 is equal to 510. 510 minus 26/2 is equal to 242. 242 minus 22/2 is equal to 110. Suppose 110 minus 18/2. So this is equal to 46. Suppose 46 minus 16/2. Oh, sorry, 14/2 is equal to 16. The 16 minus 10/2 is equal to 3. So what happened? 510 is there, 242 is there, and next 46 is there, 16 is there, 3 is there, 106 is not exist. Here, suppose 110 is there, that is the correct answer. Correct? 106. So what is the wrong number? Option C is the wrong number in that sequence. 5, 8, 20, 42, 124, 246, 736. Okay. Suppose 5 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 22. Suppose 22 into 2 minus 2, that is equal to 42. Next, 42 into 3 minus 2, 124. 124 into 2 minus 2, they got 246. And 246 into 3 minus 2, 736. Here 8 is there, 42 is there, 2024, 246, 736. But here 22 is not exist. Instead of 20, 22 is there, then that is the correct answer. But here 20 is there. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? That is equal to 20. Next, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 15, 52.5, 157.5, and 630. So what is the answer? It's very simple. 2 into 1.5, that is equal to 3. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. 6 into 2.5, that is equal to 15. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. And 45 into 3.5 is equal to 140, 157.5, etc. What happened here? Instead of 52.5, suppose 45 is there, then that is the perfect sequence. Okay. So what is the wrong number in the sequence? That is equal to 52.5. It's a little bit difficult questions compared to the previous one, but you need to learn. That's it. Triplet 440, 216, 104, 48, 22, and 6. See, 8 minus 8 by 2 is equal to 45, right? 440. What is the relation between minus 8 by 2 is equal to 216? 216 minus 8 by 2 is equal to 104. 104 minus 8 by 2 is equal to 20. 104 is equal to 40, sorry. 48 minus 8 by 2 is equal to 20. Okay, but here 22 is there. So what is the wrong number? Wrong number is 22, right? Suppose instead of 22, 20 is there, then that is the correct answer. Okay, but here 22 is there. So what is the wrong number? Wrong number is 22. Right? This is odd man out. See, odd man out is little bit difficult comparatively a number series. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ మనకి యాక్చువల్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం కొంచెం కష్టం. ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే ఆ లాజిక్ స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, అన్ని ఆపరేషన్స్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఏవైతే చేస్తామో ఆపరేషన్స్ అన్ని ఇందులో ఉంటాయి. బట్ కొన్ని మిస్లీనియస్ కేసెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఒకటే ప్రొసీజర్, నేను మీకు నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఏదైతే చెప్పానో, నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఎలాగైతే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమని చెప్పానో అలాగే మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారంటే యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్. జస్ట్ షో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఈ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, 4, 5, 15, 49, 201, 1011, 6073. 3, 10, 21, 36, 55, 70, and 105. 4, 9, 19, 39, 79, 160, 319. 10, 14, 28, 32, 64, 68, 132. 8, 7 is a very simple. Okay, 8, 27, 125, 343, 1335. Right? That's all for today. We'll meet again in the next video. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye, all of you.